there's a new robot floor cleaner in town. This is the Mint from Evolution Robotics.
Mint's an automatic floor cleaner. It's designed to clean hard surface floors, so it does both wet and dry dusting and mopping of floors.
The Mint takes a different approach to cleaning than iRobot's Roomba or Scuba robots.
Scuba is a product from iRobot that was doing wet mopping, and it was specifically designed to do it now, and it's a very robust system. We focused on using the cloths rather than a cleaning solution and a brush, so we took a different take at it.
Evolution figured they'd just let the cleaning cloths take care of the cleaning, so that they could focus on making a smart and simple robot appliance.
And the reason why Americans use products like Swiffer, Pledge, and others is because they are highly effective. People have really literally thrown away their mop and broom.
Mint has two cleaning modes, one for wet cloths and one for dry.
So we basically mimic, in our own way, the human cleaning pattern. If you would just push the pad across the floor, you actually would be leaving a lot of dirt and material on the floor as you're going. And what we found was basically this mopping action, we call it the vine. Basically it's a pattern where by going forward, it gets the floor wet, lets that fluid soak in a little bit, and when we pull back, we're actually squeezing back into the cloth what we just put down.
While this is the first complete robot that Evolution has built and sold, they're no recent startup. In fact, they provided the vision system for Sony's Aibo and the navigation system on Huawei's Rovio. And under the Mint's deceptively simple exterior, there's a lot of technology at work. Most notable is Evolution's custom navigation system.
Northstar basically works like a micro GPS system. And Northstar uses infrared spots basically to project onto the ceiling and give us a signal that's a reference point to track.
As Mint starts cleaning the room, it creates a coordinate system and starts filling in a grid of places it's been.
Notes all those, basically the pattern of the room. It then goes in and fills in the gaps that it's missing at any point, and once it has the full room covered, it then does a detailed edge clean.
Still, Evolution keeps this complexity hidden from the user. Mint has just 3 buttons, one for power, and the other 2 for selecting the cleaning mode.
We really wanted to make it an appliance experience, so if you look at the product, it looks much more like a dishwasher than it would be a toy or a gadget.
And simplicity is why it's also designed to go in a closet instead of a dock.
So we get questions about recharging because the traditional product approach is to go back to a docking station. I don't want to have my appliance just sitting out on the floor all the time. So their preference was, well, when it's done, just have it go back to where I started, and I'm going to put it away anyway. So when you it's designed actually to sit on its end. It's got little rubber stands on the bottom.
Evolution says the Mint will sell for under $250 later this year. But that's still quite a price, because even if Mint takes care of the routine cleaning of hard floors, you'll probably still want to invest in a cheap broom for big spills. For IEEE Spectrum, I'm Josh Romero.